This interactive web app was built for free using AI without any coding within a few minutes, and in this video we will see how you can do the same. This app asks you a few questions and based on your answers tells you your personality trait. Let's see how to make it. We will be using Firebase Studio, which is Google's own development environment powered by Gemini. You can use the link given in the description to open it. Click on Get Started, tick the agreement checkbox and click Confirm. Here, you can enter the prompt describing your website or web app in detail, like what it does, how it interacts, etc. You will see some example prompts here and you can click here to add an image as a reference for your website. Click here to add a new workspace and you can also import your GitHub repo by clicking here. You can select your preferred programming language from here. Click here and you can change between light mode and dark mode. I will keep it in dark mode. All these sections are optional and you can go ahead and just provide a detailed prompt. I will paste a prompt that I have already prepared. It says, build a fun interactive website that asks users 5 would you rather questions on a chosen topic like career, relationships, lifestyle, etc. After the user answers all questions, the site should analyze the responses and show a short personality description along with a fun label like the explorer or the deep thinker. After entering the prompt, click here on prototype with AI. The AI will give you a blueprint of what will be present on your web app. You can see it has named it Decisionator, and we also have the color code, font, format, coding language and everything else. To make changes, you can either click customize or provide more prompts below. After making all the changes, click here on prototype this app and you can see that the AI has started generating the code for our website. This process is quite fast and takes about 2 to 3 minutes.
A few moments later.
You can see our interactive website is now ready. Let's try using it. I can see that there is no interaction here. To make it interactive, you can enter an API key here or just auto-generate it using AI. This process will again take a few minutes.
A few moments later.
You can see we have our questions here and I can select the answers. I will select anything random and check if I get an output or not. It says here that it is analyzing our responses, so let's see what personality trait do we get. Meanwhile, if you want to see your web app in a larger view, you can click here. You can click here to copy the URL of your website and share it with others or scan this QR code to view it in your smartphone. Click here and you will be able to view the entire code used to build this website. You can also make changes here. To go back, click here. We can see that the AI did not give us any response, so let's give more prompts to get results. I have entered a prompt asking the AI to give our responses back and provide a button to go back to home screen and hit enter. The AI is now working on the changes and you will find this with every AI tool. You might not get the perfect output in your first attempt, but you can get better results with more prompts. And considering the fact that you don't have to write this code from scratch, you can use this as a base to build your idea.
A few moments later.
Our changes are ready and let's select random answers once again. You can see we get our responses back and we have 2 buttons to go back as well. Let's select a different topic, select random answers and we have our output. Let's add a final prompt telling it to give personality trait in 1 word and keep only 1 button to go back.
A few moments later.
The changes are ready. Let's select a topic, select some random answers and you can see my personality trait is Explorer based on my responses and we have only 1 button to go back now. Let's test it with another topic and once again we have a good response. You can also try it in full screen mode and if you share it with others, this is how they will be able to view it. To make changes to a specific section, you can click here, select a section and then provide prompts to make changes to that particular part. Everything in Firebase Studio is free and the only feature you will need to pay for is if you want to publish this website. Click here on publish and you will need to pay by connecting your Google Cloud billing account. However, you can always share your web app using the URL completely for free. So this was how you can use Google's Firebase Studio to build interactive websites and web apps. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool that can build websites from scratch, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.